Hi guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today we talk about the one AutoCAD topic also same, but in last video we talk about 2D drawings. In this last video I draw a gear tip. Same this 2D drawing I use and how to convert this 2D in 3D. In this video we talk about this. In this video you watch the fully, then you got the idea normally how you convert the 2D drawings in into the 3D with using the basic 3D tools only. Guys, here we completed 2D drawing. Now we convert this 2D into the 3D. How? Firstly we need here key or shaft. This region we draw here key. Then we need a 3 circle diameter circle. We select the circle diameter center, go for center point and draw the circles. First circle diameter we have 0.5. Second circle we have diameter 0.75, 0.75, 0.75, enter it. And third circle diameter we have 1. Then same thing, diameter circle, go there and draw 1 diameter. Then 3 circle we got it. Then we needed here for key shaft we need one rectangular shape. Then go there outside, click in. Then after here we have rectangular length is 0.12 and width also given. Then we want to select tab bar, then we use width 0.06 and enter it. When you enter, then small of rectangular you see here, then we need this rectangular, bring it inside. Then go for move option, select this one and enter it. When you enter, then see in this middle one star portion, see this star 2 we want to mix with this is the in center. Why we make a center? Because when you show the center means it is the meet some line, this line to clearly you want to zoom in. When you zoom in, then you got like this type shape, and this rectangular you want to shift it in this circle upper part and you want to fix it. When you fix, then here some unneeded part is there. We no need this unneeded part means TR, enter trimming option everyone know. Then trim it. What things you no need, you trim it. When you trim this one no needed part, and then you go outside. Here see we now need this circle also, outer circle. Then remove this, select this outer circle, select this outer circle and delete it this outer circle also. When you remove this, then in convert in 3D we need some group for this all things, like nearby, like see this tooth is separate, we need a group. Then we want to create a group. Here we want to select this circle also with this and click on the group option, means we group created. Then second, the inner part also we not have group because rectangular and this one we added, then create this one also group. When you completed all grouping thing, see like group you see there, go there, then you see like this is the group means it is showing within one time. Then go for we create this one in 3D we want to convert, means go in the down portion is setting is there, in setting go 3D modeling. In 2D to 3D you transfer, then it is here showing all 3D operations also. Then go there, nearby this all direction option, one home page there, go and click on home page. Then you see like this type landmark. Then see there in extrude near one option given, extrude also you use or use press pull option and click it, right click and come there and select, see fully portion we want to select, then click it. Then it is asking the height, how much height do you want, extrude height, it is your choice how much you give. Here I give for first extrude 0.3 and I enter it. When I entered, then one extrude complete. Then I go for second extrude, same thing, select inner part only and give this extrude height 0.4 I give, then enter it. Then see here you want to do 3 extrude, then third extrude left, I go for third extrude and this third extrude height I give 0.5 and 3 I click it. When you click this all three extruded complete, height also completed, go for the wireframe. See here it is showing view, which type of the view you want. This is 2D wireframe, we need here shaded or which type of you need, you go for there. I go for shaded. See here we got like this type of the shape. Go this operation orbit we called, click it and right click of mouse press it and you see this movement of this gear. This gear is having extruded in 3D. This one we converted in 3D. Here you want to see the top view, then escape it, firstly orbital, then top view, left view, side view, which type of the right view, all view you see by here.